What up, criminal YouTubers? Your boy Official, and we are back with another video. I just decided to record this video because we got the tires that we needed, and I just really wanted to talk because I was bored at home. I wanted to talk and drive, to be honest with you. So with that being said, we got a POV drive for you guys, and someone did ask for me to do a POV drive. But yeah, let's get into today's video. And I'm not sure if we're gonna do like chaos or we're just gonna vibe today. So with that being said, boy, hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends. Oh, these roads are garbage, bruh. I won't even lie. But yeah, man, I posted a video, I think it was last week or the week before. You guys didn't really enjoy it as much as I thought you guys would. So I'm putting this video out so it can what's that word? Contemplate, if that's the right word. I don't know, but like, yeah, I don't really want to do chaotic shit. So because these tires are brand new, so but we will get naughty today. So yeah, oh, the roads this side are bad. I won't even care on you, boy. Yo. But yeah, that video didn't do as well as I thought it was going to do. But it's whatever, boy. The video's out already. It's your guys' decision if you watch the video or not. Maybe that video isn't as nice as I thought it was. But to be honest with you, I didn't really like the video. Why? Because I had a few issues with audio. I'm not sure if you guys captured that when you guys were watching. But yeah, the audio was a bit crappy. But yeah, man, we'll start off a bit tame. Maybe like a little slide at the corner. You get me? Yeah. Yeah. Little tame. A little tame. I didn't want to do it because, yeah, you already know what the vibe is. So hey man, how are you guys doing, bro? Like, let's be honest, how are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? We 3 or 4 months away to the end of the year. How are you guys feeling, bro? Like, are you guys excited? You guys scared? Like, tell me in the comments down below how you guys are feeling about the year closely coming to an end. Yeah, man, how am I doing? I'm doing great, man. I'm not sure when this video is going to come out. I was thinking maybe Friday or Monday. Friday to Sunday is what is it, full motoring festival. So I was thinking maybe I'll do it Monday. I'll record today, post Monday, and see what the vibes are looking like. Yeah, but it's hard, boy. See what the vibes are looking like. See what the vibes are looking like, of course. Then if this video does go out Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I am going to be at the motoring festival. So if you guys were there, shout out. I got tickets, by the way. I got the media pass. That's what I've been working on when I've been gone. I've been trying to communicate with a bunch of companies for parts, and I won't say what parts specifically I was looking for, but I've been looking for parts and I've been looking for a whole lot of things. But what I'll tell you guys is that some companies actually reached out to me saying they can help, but it'll be like minor discounts, like maybe like 10-20%, and I'm not moneyed like that, so those 10% don't really do much from the product that I really wanted. So guys, yeah, subscribe, guys. Let them take us serious so they can give us more discounts on parts that we need for the car to make the car better, of course, because it is our channel car. But what I will tell you is there was a comment I saw last I think it was last week. He said that I must do what is these things called? He said I must do a E92 M3 bumper. My man, I'm not a poser like that, so I'm not a poser like that, so I wouldn't really do an M3 bumper. I don't really like it. Let me just be honest. I don't really like it, so I won't do it. Mainly because I don't like it. So hey, there's too many people now. Oh. Too many people, but I can't even lie. Oh, too many people, but like as I was saying, but I won't really do a M3 bumper because like I'm not a poser like that. The bumper is nice, don't get me wrong, but like I feel like for the money you're spending, it's not really worth it. So there's a few ideas I got in mind, but like you guys can also tell me what you guys think about like more ideas on the car. Like I know we're gonna need suspension at some point, we're gonna need wheels, bumpers. I want the M Sport bumper for the rear bumper, and an M Sport bumper for the front. Maybe not the 2006 M Sport bumper, but an M Sport bumper for like the LCR. So yeah, let me get my fun straight, gents. We got tires now. When we go to our next run, maybe it's going to be with the same gents. So when we go on the next run, we can cause mayhem. We can do whatever we want to do. So yeah, man. What else did I want to say? Man, is it possible for us to hit 5,000 before the end of the year? I don't know. And that's only possible because of you guys. Like even 4,000, boy, I didn't think we were going to hit it like this quick, to be honest. But yeah, man. Just like to thank all of you guys. I don't think I've done it a couple of times, but like yeah, I just like to thank you guys for getting me to where I am. Oh yeah, for getting me where I am. I'd like to thank all of you guys. So and I know we can achieve great things, guys. Like this is just the beginning. It's a slow start, but it's something, gents. Like I won't even lie, a full year ago, like let me be honest, a full year ago, I never thought any of this was possible. I never thought that reaching 4,000 was going to be something that I'd say I've done. So doing YouTube videos, okay, I did think, because like I've always wanted to do YouTube, but like I didn't think I was going to do like automotive content. But yeah, it's actually crazy if you really think about it. So I just like to once again thank you guys for making me feel like I'm going to get somewhere, bruh. Because like without God, without me, and without my family, like this channel is not really a channel because there's no you guys. I don't know if I'm waffling or like chatting or yapping in other terms, but like yeah, man. Oh, it's so hot in this car, boy. Yo, next time I think when I do a POV, I'm going to do, I got mics, right? Let me show you. Right, I got mics, you see. So I'm not sure if I'm going to record with the mics next time. So yeah, man. I think I'm tired of talking now. I want to cause mayhem. I don't want to do like crazy shit because these tires are indeed brand new, and you know how expensive tires are these days. So like, I mean stop the yapping. put the seat where I want to put it. You get me? And make something happen, boy. You get me? Let's get to it. Hey, let's get to it, boy. You get me? So, yeah, I'm tired of yapping now, boy. You get me? I'm tired of yapping. Just cause a ruckus in Cosmos City. I like it when people think I'm a crazy man, boy. Like, won't even lie. When people think I'm a crazy man and look at me weirdly, it doesn't affect me, but like it makes me feel like I'm really doing something that annoys other people, which is nice. Only in cap on you. But yeah, man, it is hot in this car. I don't even know how long we are into this video, so I don't want to bore you guys, because I do know that you guys show more support to the POVs than the other videos. I don't know how that works, but yeah. Yeah, ne? I hate this shit. I won't even lie to you, boy. Oh no. Ah, fuck. Crazy as fuck, but yo, I won't even lie to you. I won't even lie to you, boy. Living by school is kind of crazy, kind of cap. Don't want to cap on you. Oh my days. Oh my days, boy. Wanna do a YouTube? Yeah, living by school is kind of insane, but yo, can't even cap on you guys. But like, that won't distract us from making our video today. So, oh, but all these eyes, but I can't even lie now. All these eyes are like, yes. Trying to know what this nigga in the car is recording. This black boy. Oh. This black boy in the car. His camera on his head. What is he doing? You get me? You get me? I won't even lie. I won't even lie. I want to do something here. won't even lie, this place is too small for me. Or I think I've grown out of it, if I'm being dead ass. Like, it's too small for me now. Like, if I can, I'm gonna get in this side where the local taxi rank. You get me? This is where I took my pictures last time. If you subscribe to my Instagram, this is where I took my pictures the last time with the good share shit. If you don't follow my Instagram, it's 330_N52. That's the car. This is the car channel or car page. Then there's the main page, which is like for content, like pages and everything, which is the official THEEEE. So 4 E's at no, I think it's dot official. One day I'm gonna come and spin, but there's a bunch of space. I'm coming back. When it rains, you know, we are back at it. We are back at it, like a crack at it. So with that being said, boy, we're gonna come back and do some madness. Yeah, man. What a bad day, man. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here and go to the guy who does the tires to tell him what happened. So yeah, nah, this is bad, but yo, what a way to end the video.